You swore an oath, no, to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Is that correct?
Yes po.
Thank you very much for the witness. Sir, nung May 13, you're recorded as saying, katunayan, nakiusap nga po ako kay John Consulta na puntahan kami dito sa Sequoia Hotel dahil meron po kaming planning mula po pa kaninang umaga. And you went on to say, nandun ka with all the deputy directors, etc. Do you confirm?
Oh, well, nakausap ko po si John Consulta.
No, just confirm, sir. Did you say
Yes,
that
I
na
talked
nandun
to-
kayo sa Sequoia? Hindi, yun lang. The statement na
Haba
yun.
po kasi yung statement na
I just need you to confirm, did you say that you were in Sequoia?
Yes, I talked to...
Thank you.
to
So you are
John Consulta.
confirming? Okay.
Yes po.
And then later on, dinagdag nyo, wala kami sa Senado, we are on stand down because that's the instructions. Did you also say that?
Yes po.
Thank you. Meanwhile, in another interview, you then said, mayroon request si GM Veloso to help them secure the area kasi napapansin nila na magulo, labas-pasok. Nagpadala kaming ilan lang na ahente, parang 4 to 6 na tao na nag-iikot sa premises ng GIS. Hindi pumasok sa Senado. I am quoting Inquirer dated 13 May 2026. Did you say this?
Yes, sa GSIS po.
Okay, thank you. So, I asked now for the kind indulgence. May papa-flash lang ako. It's just a photo, dear colleagues, both parties. Paki-flash lang. Pakibasa lang po yung address ng Senado. So, pakiulit, ano hong building?
GSIS building.
Opo, kasi nag-iisa lang naman ho ang address namin. Muupa po kami dito sa GSIS. Iisang building lang ho po yun. And for the record, kung saan nakita yung tao mo, you swore an oath, no, to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Is that correct?
Yes po.
Thank you very much. So, sa kaalaman po ng ating mga nanunood at masigasig na taga-subaybay mga kababayan natin, Rule 133 on the weight and sufficiency of evidence. Sabi sa Section 1, preponderance of evidence, in determining where the preponderance or superior weight of evidence on the issues involved lies, the court may consider all the facts and circumstances of the case, the witness's manner of testifying, their intelligence, and also their personal credibility. Furthermore, in Section 11 of Rule 132, a witness may be impeached by evidence that his or her general reputation for truth, honesty, or integrity is bad. Pero may record pa sana akong papakita. If the body wants, I will show the video na sinabi din po ni NBI Director ng interview, wala pong nasaktan, wala pong nangbugbog. But we have a video, alam po ng lahat ng mga kasamahan natin na yung OSAA, yung aming pong personnel, binugbog. May video po tayo niyan. I leave it to the body, I leave it to the presiding officer if we want to take up the time of this court to show that. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.